Hi guys, we're here now today with Sean and another person who we're now going to get the starter motor on. So let's just get straight to it, shall we?
Go and have a look in my box, Sean, and see if I've got a shorter one. Yeah. It'll fit on the bottom. It just won't fit on properly. Because this is a 5.5 kilowatt, the body steps out here, so it gets in the way.
I'll avoid you. It's a good job we've got a pit in it.
A bit of a pit. Do you want the ratchet one or not?
Yeah, I'll take it off you in a second.
It was still in the Dusty Blackground at the front.
I'll be where it was then. Hey Sean, it was in the Dusty Brown at the front.
I know that now I found it.
Remember the B10 with the hybrid for tools up there? It's got a face full of crap off the exhaust.
When you get some air in this, these are going to need tightening.
Don't go up that much.
No, even just 2 or 3 inches when you get some leverage.
No, we're able to.
If we can get it started, yeah, we can drive it over there.
Yeah, you want some leverage just to.
Yeah, we can drive it over by the stairs, can't we?
Yeah.
Reverse it over. That's fine.
That sandwich, that one in there.
I mean, it's all put back together, we'll wait for the back.
It shouldn't be, it should just spin it in reverse.
Yeah, it's 8.
It's got no gear ratio on this one either, Jordan, it's direct drive.
Right.
Oh yeah, so it's 5.5 kilowatt because it's direct drive. It's an offset crank, which is why it's got 12 teeth, not 10. But the guy, I tell you what, the way he reeled info off.
He did that over the phone, it's brilliant.
Fucking spot on.
Sean up there, what was the guy? What company did we use?
Oh, DFJ Auto, Preston.
Yeah. Starter motors and alternators.
Buses, truck and marine.
And military, vintage military.
A gentleman was called Barry.
Spot on guy.
In theory, in preservation, this motor should last until
This,
ever.
If we ever scrap the bus, the starter's coming off it. Simple fucking ass. We sell that separately. Might start logging running hours. Well, how many times it started. You know, we'll have to wipe all the cold cranks it's going to do now. We've also got a year warranty on it as well.
Does that include if we blow it up, getting it started?
No.
Well, if you don't release the video to prove it. So you does know of the channel and of the bus.
Good. It's another follower.
If you followed.
The sub count's not really going up at the moment. There's still 65% of people not subscribed but do watch.
Is that better?
Yeah.
What's that nut and washer?
Right, it should be alright now, I'm on the nylon.
Yeah, what's that nut and washer that's down there, Jordan's arm?
That's the start motor, this is the solenoid.
Right. Oh, for those ones.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's in, that's bit.
Okay, neck this fuel pump back to its old wire, or are you going to hardwire it again?
Well,
We need to monitor that old wire because it might have been a problem with the starter motor.
but it gets its power directly from the Aladdin, supposedly.
A few moments later.
There's a wee bit of smoky. Push it and run it. You get a bit of a video outside. I need to get a bit of fucking video outside. Fuck me.
She lives! Listen to that turbo! Drive. Only when the number's not flashing.
Ah, right, see.
Alright, it's clear, go on. So we've got to fix the fuel feed now.
You can now find us on Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, Twitter and Instagram. Hashtag Mancbuses. Find us at mancbuses.com. Mancbuses, we're sorting scrap.